Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a Neapolitan checkered cake. Now this isn't going to be an actual recipe, it's just going to show you how to actually build it to make the checkered pattern, because I know other people like different types of cake, like your own fully baked your own or come in a mix. So you're going to need a vanilla sponge, a chocolate sponge and a strawberry sponge. You want them to be all the exact same size and the same thickness for this to work. You then need some cookie cutters to create equal circles that you want to cut out. If you're making a larger cake, you might want to actually draw a template of a circle to actually cut around with a knife to create the these cut out bits. But what you got to make sure is that the thickness of each layer that you're cutting out is pretty much the same thickness. So you want to do, so each one is cut into 3 rings like this, and now we're going to pop out each of the layers, and then we're going to mix them up and put them back together again. So that big outlay, you want the same thickness as the middle one, and then obviously the middle one's just like a round hole. So you're going to mix these up so you got one of each flavour in each layer. So I've got the strawberry, chocolate, then vanilla. Then I'm going to take the chocolate one and put vanilla, then strawberry in that one. And then what's left over I'll put in the last one. And then you have to layer these on top of each other to create the checkered pattern. So the way you lay these up is whatever's on the outside underneath on the bottom layer you want in the middle of the next layer, and then in the middle section, not the second section. And then the top one will have that middle whole bit is the same one. So I'm going to put a layer of buttercream in the middle of each layer. I'm not going to do an overly thick layer of buttercream, I just like a nice thin layer, because I also cover the cake in buttercream as well, and I don't like too much buttercream. I'm not a fan of butter. I don't even have butter in my sandwiches. So you want to carry on doing this until you've done all 3 layers, and once you get to the top layer you just cover the whole thing in buttercream, and that's it. You can now decorate it however you want, so you can use this for a birthday or whatnot, Christmas cake, whatever you want, just decorate it how you want. You can put more buttercream on top to decorate it, or you can use actual icing, like fondant icing. And that's it. When you cut it, it will be a checkered pattern. So with this one I actually done an Easter basket type cake. I was going to do a tutorial for this, but I forgot to press record when I was doing it, so that won't be happening. So all we have to do is cut it open and ta-da! It's checkered. So this was based on Neapolitan ice cream, so which is my favourite. So hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Bye!